Sister wives, did Garrison death push Christine and Janelle apart? And Janelle Brown rants about new generation trends. Also, Mary Brown finally reacts to wedding rumors. Did she marry again? I will explain everything. Watch this video until end. Hi lovely viewers. Welcome to my update gossip channel. Christine and Janelle have become inseparable since they became sister wives. They shared a unique bond and love for each other. The TLC stars treated each other kids as their own and gave them the same love. Both of them continued sharing the same bond even after breaking ties with their polygamist husband, Kody Brown. Garrison's death has indeed left a void in the heart of each family member. All of them are struggling in their ways to cope with the loss. Janelle has been showing a brave face and keeping herself busy with her kids and grandkids. Meanwhile, Christine has resumed her work to avoid laying on the bed and thinking all day. However, it seems that the death of their beloved son has affected Janelle and Christine's friendship as well. Fans have not seen the duo together since the family tragedy. Sister wives, stars Christine and Janelle love hanging out together and showing off their bond on social media. They have been praising and supporting each other throughout the years. The TLC stars have gone on numerous trips together and frequently invite each other's kids for a lovely time. However, the entire Brown family has been struggling to move on since Garrison's death. They have been finding ways to heal and grow after the family tragedy. But the fans have started noticing that Janelle and Christine have not posted anything about each other since their son's death. Recently, a fan started a Reddit thread to discuss if Christine has moved on from her best friend. The app said, "Curious if the ride or die besties phase has ended already now that Christine has settled in with her husband and new family." The user also pointed out that the best friends have been less frequent for a while and not posting about each other. However, Sister Wives fans were split after Ops claims and felt that Janelle was struggling with her own life. One fan said, "Janelle is a grieving mother. I'm sure she is naturally gravitating towards her children and grandchildren." Meanwhile, the others noted that the TLC star has been in North Carolina since her son's death. They felt that Christine might be taking her time to focus on her new husband and truly. Moreover, a different fan added, "Posts don't mean that they're close, and the absence of posts doesn't mean that they're not talking. They just suffered a huge loss." Sister wives, stars Christine and Janelle have been taking their time to grieve. Fans have been making a lot of assumptions about their friendship. But that doesn't mean that the best friends have to give up on each other. Recently, Janelle shared a special picture with her fans after Christine's kids, Eden, Aspine, and Mitch, went to North Carolina to meet her. Fans are already aware that Janelle has been staying at Muddy home since Garrison's death. Hence, Janelle, Muddy, and Caleb spent the weekend with Christine's children. Fans were happy to see that the latter children are also helping Janelle move on from the tragic loss of her son. Janelle Brown doesn't mind expressing her views or opinions with fans on social media. She has been focusing on her physical goals for years. The Sister Wives star has been an inspiration to many due to her dedication to a healthy lifestyle. Janelle has also been a proud promoter of the famous Pink Drink Company. She has been working with Christine and Muddy to endorse the brand and help others in improving their gut health. The reality TV star has made remarkable progress over the years. Janelle has been going through a tough phase since losing her son, Garrison Brown. But she has returned to her routine and started focusing on her health again. Now it looks like the 55-year-old star has been a bit angry with today's generation for the latest gym trends. She recorded herself expressing her frustration over what she has been seeing in the gym these days. Janelle pointed at the t-shirt that she had been wearing in the gym for years for her regular workout sessions. She likes the way the t-shirt covers her body and offers comfort. The TLC star liked the thin and breathable fabric to make the workout easier and convenient. Janelle expressed her frustration with women working out in crop tops. She said, like, who works out in a crop top? Unless you're 20 and never had babies or never had any extra weight. So, the 55-year-old was disappointed to see crop tops everywhere and not see anyone working out in simple shirts lately. The Sister Wives star felt that gym shirts can be used more often and provide great comfort. Several fans agreed with Janelle's views and felt the same. One fan said, "I'm with you. This crop trend needs to go." Meanwhile, the others felt that it was the best time for the celebrity to start her workout clothing line. Further, a different fan added, "I am with you, Janelle. They are missing out on a large population of people who will pay for a whole shirt." Sister Wives star Janelle Brown has been choosing ways to heal herself since Garrison Earth. To overcome the loss of her beloved son, she has been spending more time with her kids and grandkids. In fact, the TLC star has been mostly staying with her daughter Madhi since the family tragedy. Well, she recently gave her fans a glimpse of her gardening plans for the year. Janelle recorded the new garden beds and small plants in the clip. She told her fans that she would be staying a lot at Madhi House this year. Hence, she found some new ways to spend time with her grandkids. Moreover, she was looking forward to growing some veggies in North Carolina climate. Sister Wives star Mary Brown hasn't given up on the idea of love, even after having a failed platonic marriage. She again jumped back into the dating realm and was eager to find her soulmate. Hence, viewers were curious to know more about her relationship status when wedding rumors started to surface on the internet. Many sources started to claim that Mary had walked down the aisle for the second time. They even shared proofs of it. Though Mary didn't respond to any of them initially, she recently decided to talk about it. The celeb finally cleared the air and revealed if she had actually exchanged vows for the second time or not. What did she say? Sister Wives, Mary Brown reveals if she has married again or not. Sister Wives star Mary Brown has been in the headlines because of her worthy up business these days. She launched her own brand and has been busy promoting it on social media. However, the celeb recently took to Instagram and revealed that she became the talk of the town, not because of her business, but because of her 4 marriages. Mary shared a collage that had 4 different edited pictures of her wedding. It featured her wearing the wedding gown and posing with 4 men as her groom. The celeb could not stop laughing and wrote in her caption, "Apparently I also got married 4 times," she added, "and I'm sure there are more to come." Mary then made it clear that all of these were merely speculations, and that she hadn't walked down the aisle. She stated that she was busy all this while. The lone wolf even motivated her viewers to keep working on their dreams, and do something every day that makes them come closer to their goals. Mary concluded her caption with laughing emojis, "Even if you want to get married 4 times in a week, do it." Mary Brown's toxic and failed marriage was a part of the Sister Wives shows. Viewers saw everything that she had to undergo. Yet, the celeb didn't give up and jumped back into the dating realm. Mary introduced Amos to the world and appeared to be head over heels in love with him. However, her relationship was a short-lived one and she had to part ways because of various reasons. After all this, it appears that Mary is currently single and is perhaps looking for the love of her life. During a recent live session, she confirmed that she had gone on a few dates with different men, but the celeb stated that she hadn't been dating yet. Hence, it appears that she hasn't found the right one yet, while marriage rumors still surround her on the internet. Till then, Mary is merely focusing on expanding her career. She is busy with her new business and is hinting at many more big things to come. Hence, it is clear that the lone wolf's priority is her professional life, and she is burning the midnight oil for it. What do you think about this video? Please told on comment box. Also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.